Hey everyone, today we're excited to launch Workflows, our brand new product. Workflows allow you to build complex, multi-step automations in a visual node-based editor. Workflows can be kicked off in many ways. It can be done manually, it can be done on a recurring schedule, it can be done through a form that you create, through a webhook that you post data to, or an external event and an integration that we support, such as a new email in Gmail, a new ticket created in Jira, or a new calendar event in your Outlook calendar. Now that that's out of the way, let's take a look at how a workflow is built. The way you build workflows in Langdoc is through a visual canvas. You can add different nodes, connect them together, for example, chain assistants, different actions, and reference data from different nodes. In this case, you can see the user adding a Gmail trigger, then a delay of 5 minutes, and finally doing a web search after that. Once you have a few nodes in, you can configure how each input of each node behaves. As you can see on the right, for every field, you can select one out of 3 modes. First is auto, which automatically infers the information from the auto-available context and fills it out. Second one is prompt AI, which allows you to write a custom prompt, guide the LLM into filling out this field. And the third one is manual, which allows you to do things purely deterministically and reference data from previous nodes without any LLM usage. And what is really exciting about all of this is that you have full control over each input field in every action, allowing you to combine deterministic and non-deterministic inputs. You can choose to take control over more sensitive input fields, or you can let an LLM generate a value for it on the fly. In this case on the screen, I set the email recipient to be my own email, and then I prompt the LLM to write a good body for that email. After finalizing our workflow setup, it's time to test it. You can directly trigger a run in your canvas and see the execution happen in real time. After it's done, you can inspect every input and output of each field. This allows you to quickly iterate on your setup and get to a production-ready workflow in minutes. After you're happy with a workflow, it's time to take it to production. And the good thing is, every version is safe, so you can also at any point roll back to a previous release. This allows you to freely iterate on your workflow and eliminates the worry of breaking something in production. And congrats! From this point on, your workflow is listening to production events. Once runs start coming in, you obviously want to have an overview over them. In the past runs tab at the bottom, you can see all of your workflows executions, you can see how long each one took, how much it cost, and much more. And one of the best things about the Workflows product is that it's built on top of everything you already have at Langdoc. This means that any agent, integration, or knowledge folder you've already built is available to use right away in your workflow. This is extremely powerful because it allows you to build on top of everything you already have. On top of that, we're starting with 14 different nodes that allow you to do even more. A few of those include Web Search, which allows you to get real-time data from the web, Condition, which allows you to branch a workflow into different routes, Guardrails, which enables you to secure your workflows and flag malicious content, or the Code Block, where you can run custom JavaScript code, giving you lots of flexibility. But we didn't stop there. We have all these incredible LLMs, and we've seen just how much they can do for us. Over the past few months, we've been busy working on an AI chat builder, which allows you to build workflows with natural language. You just have to describe your workflow, and the builder will handle the rest. Here is the agent in action, building out the workflow I had in mind earlier. It creates an action plan, does the necessary research, and starts building the workflow directly in our canvas. Within 2 minutes, I had a fully working workflow which I could deploy straight to production. With the chat builder, we believe that anyone is capable of building a workflow. And this is a little glimpse into workflows. There is much more for you to explore. You can check out our YouTube channel, where you can find a more extensive tutorial and introduction on how to get started with workflows, or you can head straight to our app and actually build your first workflow. We're extremely excited to see what you build with workflows and to see what's possible with it.